Yeah, today is Thursday, 30th of May. Rain. Been raining a little over an hour. It was middle afternoon. I ain't going to turn down the rain. One of my more expensive utilities is water. And if we're in a drought or a dry spell and I gotta run the sprinklers on the yard, hold on, fogging up. My water bill can jump up to over $300 a month. It gets really expensive. We're in a wet part of Texas too. But the city's on the greedy side. They try to make money where they can, and water, sewer, and garbage is one of the places. And even at my little building, the minimum billing is $38 and some change, and you're allowed up to, I believe, 500 gallons a month on that minimum billing. And 500 gallons seems like a lot, but it ain't. And I rarely exceed the 500 gallons a month unless I'm having to water the lawn up there and my garden spots. But well, obviously I've been lazy all day. Ain't nothing I need to do in the rain, so stayed at the house watching the television and watching YouTube. So, surprisingly wet spring for this weather cycle. It is going to be a hot, dry summer. All the predictors are there, so that's what it's going to be. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.